Hi everybody, it's Amy with Make Something Inc. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And today I want to show you 5 design ideas for the corner box card that my friend Kat taught me how to make, and now I've been making them like crazy. If you want to actually see how to make the cards, definitely check out my other video called the Peace and Happiness Boxing Card. You can find it here on my channel or on YouTube, and it shows you all the instructions for how to do that. So here we go. Here is the very first card. I focused on the Trimming the Town DSP for this one, and I also have this gorgeous ribbon. That little bow on the top is just a little knot with a glue dot on the back that I just put right over a crisscross of ribbon. That ribbon is on sale for $3 right now. Go get it from the clearance rack. And then once you open it up inside, look at this cute little scene. I have these little flappies with a little ice skater, some trees, and I was able to grab this piece of one of the sheets of DSP and get it so that I had 2 of the images kind of lining right up into each other perfectly. So you have the ice skating rink on the bottom and the mountains on top. How adorable did this card come out? And then everything folds down and you just fold it back up and you close it with a little glue dot and it's back in its package. How adorable and wow is this card? Okay, I know Halloween is over, but I have to show you this cute Halloween card. It's on regular black paper and then, well, cardstock, and then I had that lacy black ribbon and pop, look. It is an adorable little animal party, and I used the new Magic in This Night designer series paper that came out for Halloween. So I'm just popping up all these cute little animals that I colored with some Stampin' Blends. It is a retired set with these animals, but we always have new Halloween animals and creatures every year that you could put in here too. The paper I used, well, first let me talk about this mesh ribbon. Instead of that crazy web that I made in the background, you could just buy that mesh ribbon that I think would look really cool and give a similar effect. And then in the back here, it is a retired stamp, but there's other stamps just like it. This one says, "No tricks, just treats." And to get that framed look, I used the gold cord from the ribbon set that I just showed you in that little pop-up right there. I forget what it's called, but you could rewind. I did put little slits in the floor so that I could pop my creatures kind of into the middle of the floor, but you also could just go to the front here and have a tab that goes under the floor, and then you just got to carefully pop them down while you're closing it, but it's really not that big of a deal. Just be careful when you're putting it together that everything's going to open and close all right. And that is my little Halloween animal party card. How cute is that? Now this one is also using a suite of retired paper. I think it was called Animal Outing 2 years ago, and I have a bunch of this left over, so I'm always using this paper. But I thought it would be cute for like a little one's birthday, a kid that, still plays with, books and toys on the floor and stuff. I thought it would be a cute little diorama card for them. So there was that pocket in the front. And then when you pop it open, there's like a cute little jungle going on. You have your giraffe friend. I have some of the retired leaf ribbon. I put a little alligator in the bottom and he kind of pops up and moves around a little bit. And I just layered everything. So I really just wanted to show you the versatility of this card here and how you can make a really cute little kids card. Look, they can kind of play around with the little rhino. I mean, I don't know if any kid's actually going to take their birthday card and play with it, but I thought that was kind of a cute idea. You could probably set them up as like little figurines inside to display it on a table, and you can also plop this little happy birthday in here too. I'm just trying to see how to make it stay, but you can have it kind of sit up so you have like a 3D decoration on their birthday sitting out for them. And then, again, it just folds up so super duper easy. It looks super impressive. Then you can throw all these little elements you cut out right back into the top and make it look fancy again without actually having to do all that much decorating. I'm just popping the happy birthday on top so that it shows a little bit better. And then, I'm gonna tie this beautiful ribbon around it. Now this ribbon is brand new. It is actually a faux suede and it's a beautiful early espresso color. I love this ribbon for like everything, all my projects. I probably will have to buy another spool of it, but there is my kid version of this card. Now, I have another one for you. Actually, I have two more for you. This one, again, I use some retired elements here, and the tag is retired and the stamp is retired, but this ribbon is not. It's from the Flowers for Every Season ribbon, and this ribbon is so thick and luxurious and gorgeous. It's like a gauzy material, and look, here we go. You are my chosen family. I thought that it would be so cute to make like a little adoption center for those people who have recently adopted a puppy in their family. There's also kitty cat paper in the Playful Pets Designer Series paper, so you can make a little kitty cat adoption center too. And of course, you can put a sentiment on the floor there or something else. I just didn't add anything else yet because I'm not sure who I'm going to give this to, but I just thought it was a cute way to really commemorate the occasion of people getting new pets right now during the pandemic. I feel like everybody I know except me has gotten a pet this year. So now I should have used tear and tape for this. I use snail and it's really not keeping my ribbon down. So if you're gonna do the around and tie ribbon and you want it to stay on securely, definitely put some tear and tape on there and it will hold that ribbon on there for you. And make sure you leave a lot of extra so you can tie a very sumptuous bow on here. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't it adorable? So trying to figure out who this is going to. And then here, let me show you my last one. I'm gonna warn you, this one is not done. I'm not sure about it. Comment down below if you have ideas for me. I used a stamp from a paper pumpkin kit and it's from I think March this year. It says, "No matter the weather, we're in this together. Little gray raindrops." I used this really pretty petal pink paper, and then on the inside I have some rain in the background with umbrellas and then rainbow on the bottom. I'm actually thinking maybe I'm going to turn this into like a baby shower card instead, which would mean I would change my topper instead of this weather together sentiment. But I'm really curious what you think. So comment down below and let me know what your ideas are. So there's my 5 designs. I hope you really love the 5 designs I created for you today to show you just how versatile and fun and easy this corner box card is. And so I'm just flipping through all these for you. Again, please let me know what you think of this card and make sure you subscribe and hit the like button below if you want to belong to my tribe and see all my videos every time I put one out. Also, if you like the products I'm working with or you're interested in learning more about this company and all the things that I do with Stampin' Up!, please email me. It's amy@makesomethingink.com, and I love talking to you guys, so why not? You know, it's time for a little fun. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to make something with you again. Bye!